Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy.
Let's say that you ask the woman, "Are you Miss Wang? Are you Miss Wang?" She might reply a plain yes, or she might reply a very affirmative, "Yeah." Or she might say, "Yeah." That means yes, indeed. Yeah, of course I'm Miss Wang. So a plain yes is 是. Right? But how do you say "yeah, of course" in Chinese? Let's say that you ask her, "Shall we go out?" She might say, "Okay. Yeah, okay." Or she might say, "Sure, yeah, let's go." Right? Or "Indeed, we shall." And okay is just a plain 好, okay. But how do you say "sure, let's do this" to imply some enthusiasm? Let's turn to page 107 and look at grammar point 3, and let's see how we can express this kind of emotional difference. Simply put, you can express this indeed by adding "a" at the end of the sentence. The textbook gives a big chart on how "a" may change, but don't worry about it now. The rules don't apply all the time, and there's no point worrying about it. Just remember right now that you are adding a at the end. For example, "Are you Miss Wang? 你是王小姐吗?" The answer will be "Yeah." 是啊,是啊. Notice that this "ah" at the end is very soft and it kind of blends in with whatever goes before it. So it's not 是啊, right? It's 是啊,是啊. You just slide it into a 是啊,是啊. Do you want to go and eat Chinese food? 你想去吃中国菜吗? Sure. 好啊. Notice it's just a 好啊. You don't separate the two sounds. You don't go 好啊. You say 好啊. You just slide it into a
哎，你想去吃中国菜吗？
好啊。
好吃吗？
好吃啊。
Wang Fang's clothes are too pretty. 王芳的衣服太漂亮了。王芳的衣服太漂亮了。Now let's answer it. Yeah, she bought a lot of clothes. 是啊，是啊，她买了不少衣服。是啊，她买了不少衣服。是啊，她买了不少衣服。是啊。All right, now let's do a quick practice. If someone comes up to you and say, 你会说汉语吗？你会说汉语吗？ How would you answer? 会啊，会啊, of course I can speak. 会啊。
If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.